Hello, Julia. Hola. Nice to have you
Hello.
here. My name is Petteri Hakalin, and I'm a technical account director at Tupl. I'm very glad to have Julia Martínez from Telefónica here in the Tupl Talks today. She's a customer experience manager at Telefónica Global CTO office. And perhaps anything else that you want to say about yourself, Julia?
No, thank you, Petteri. I think that you say everything. I am customer experience manager in Telefónica Global CTO, working with customer experience project and working together as well with Tupl in some projects.
Very good, very good. So we are directly here basically from Copenhagen, DTW event, and so the Telemanagement Forum event that really gathers a lot of innovation and the latest buzzwords of the industry when it comes to customer experience and automation as well as sustainability. So I think in this event from Tupl side, we had the privilege to actually participate and partner with Telefónica and some other partners in a project that was called Autonomous CEI, so Customer Experience Index for Zero Touch 5G and Wi-Fi networks, phase 5. So, well, the phase 5 already tells that you have been long time already working with the Customer Experience Index related matters, Julia. So this was simply a continuation somehow, but well, in this particular event, I think if out of these keywords, one was somehow getting on top of everything was this autonomous theme of autonomous networks for autonomous operations or processes. So how do you see that the work that we've been doing together is actually helping towards these zero-touch networks?
Okay, thank you, Petteri. So the telco industry is currently facing many challenges, and the operation of the networks for the operators is getting more and more complex. So for this reason, Telefónica has been established the Autonomous Network Journey program to accelerate the path towards the autonomous network. The customer experience area and the customer experience project, what I am responsible, is part of this autonomous network journey program, and the Catalyst project that we have been working together belongs to this area. So for Telefónica, to assure the best customer experience is key. And automation is a key enabler for this. By means of automation, of machine learning, on customer experience index analytic models that we have been working together, we need to anticipate to customer pain points and proactively and automatically implement autonomous solutions before any service degradation occurs. Well, as you know, we have been working in new automation use cases in this Catalyst project. We focus on sustainability and as well in generative AI. And we are working, having very fruitful collaboration between the different partners. We have been all working together and completely aligned with the goals of the Autonomous Network Journey program for Telefónica.
Yeah, exactly. So actually the project, right, was 4 different use cases. So actually quite complex from the point of view of different types of solutions included and different companies promoting their solutions. But I think we managed to package it in an interesting way where this customer experience index was somehow the main point and really bringing up all these main topics, autonomous networks and sustainability as well in the picture. So, but yeah, how do you see our fit from Tupl side? I mean, how did you see us complementing the whole picture there?
Yeah, Okay, first, as we were commenting, I mean, we were implementing for new autonomous use cases with a focus of improving customer experience. And the customer experience index, that was the first use case, was like the input to the other use cases. So the first use case was the implementation of the customer experience index. The second use case was focused on sustainability and improving customer experience, where we measure the energy consumed by the different services, but as well we perform an optimization of the power consumed in Telefónica Spain network with the power saving features using the customer experience index instead of more traditional metrics as average per throughput. Or the third use case, that there was an operation use case in order to guarantee customer experience with network slicing, where we were performing anomaly detection, root cause analysis for the identification of problems, closed loop, or different application of different actuation policies. We were performing as well part of these operations in convergent scenarios together with Elisa in Finland. Right. And the fourth use case, that there was more this improving customer experience in the service center with a generative AI platform, actually from Tupl. So regarding Tupl, I mean, you have been all these capabilities, technical capabilities in artificial intelligence, machine learning, of generative AI have been very, very useful for the project. You have been actually contributing to the use case too, with the power saving features that they were from your side, and as well in case use case 4 with your platform from generative AI improving customer experience at service center, and as well contributing in the operation use case 3 as well with your capabilities for anomaly detection, root cause analysis, and so on. So I think that they had very, very fruitful collaboration, and you have been from the Telefónica side and as well from the project. I think that we are all very happy with all this contribution.
When it comes to I think my reading from our project was that it was quite pragmatic, really, but at the same time, of course, these kind of events and this kind of projects bring this innovation, and this is bringing the innovation to the market, and we are showcasing new things. And I think this. One interesting way of doing this is really going in this kind of collaborative partnerships, or where you have the client side like Telefónica and Elisa, and then really bringing up actually companies from very different types of portfolios in the same picture. So in my mind, I see it quite interesting setup. But what do you think about this kind of setup yourself?
I think that from Telefónica, they are very useful, these kind of collaborations. We are participating in many Catalyst projects because we think that is very fruitful. We are many companies with different capabilities, all working together with the same goal. In this case, we were different companies, all with the same focus, trying to improve customer experience with automation use cases, and completely aligned, as I was saying before, with the Autonomous Network Journey program from Telefónica. And as you say, we were complementing very well with different roles from the Telefónica side, as we were the champion, the operator. I mean, we were setting up the goals, the objective, the challenges, and as well providing the data for doing the different proof of concepts, and as well acting as technical coordinator. From Tupl side, you were very active in all use case too, with your power saving features, including this customer experience index and the power saving features, and and looking into the power reduction in Telefónica Spain network, or applying the use case for applying your a generative AI platform for the service center, no? Trying to see how was improving their customer satisfaction. Or for other partners, I mean, we have to say, for example, Medux, that was providing the crowdsourcing data for doing all the models with the customer experience index. From Oftare, all their expertise that they are having in the operation use cases with the service intent, and as well root cause analysis, closing the loop, actuation policies, and Wipro. I mean, we have to say as well, with the network digital twin that we have been doing for testing the customer experience and how was changing if we were including new things in the network, how this was affecting the customer experience. Bain as well. And all the companies, I think that everyone is having the different role and complementing very well each other.
Exactly, and I think when this was bringing together these companies was interesting also from the point of view that we are continuing discussions offline with these different partners and seeing that how we can really bring additional value, and I think it's beneficial for Telefónica, it's beneficial for everybody. So very very interesting setup. So yeah. I guess, repeating a bit what I said before as well, but I think what was specific about this project that we had was that it was quite pragmatic and not a slideware really, and so realistic, something that could be put into production really, and in that sense, I mean, how do you see the real world benefits when it comes to this operational efficiency, customer experience, and sustainability? Is there something that you would like to highlight on this from your side?
Yes, Petteri. I mean, in this project, as you were saying, first it's an innovation project, but we have been considering, we have been using real data from Telefónica Spain, and in this way we have been doing proof of concepts of the different use cases. And we see here that is real benefits in implementing this kind of use cases in Telefónica networks. I mean, from one side, we see benefits from the cost efficiency. For example, we use case 2 with the power saving features, where we can see the energy reduction, but as well guaranteeing customer experience. Or, for example, with the operation use case, the use case 3, where we can see this cost efficiency performing everything in an automatic way. But on the other hand, we see as well increase in customer satisfaction. For example, we use case 4, where you have been including the generative AI platform, improving customer experience, or as well with the operation use case, where use case 3, where everything is performed in an automatic way, in a proactive way, implementing solutions or solving the problems before any degradation occurs and the customers realize. So all this improve customer experience, customer satisfaction, and in this way, for operators is very good. We are able to improve NPS, we are able to improve ARPU, and of course reducing churn.
Yeah, exactly. I can see that Telefónica really considers customer experience as an important matter, and I think yes. This is a very good objective, obviously, being a Telefónica customer as well. But thank you so much, Julia, then, I mean, for your insights. It's been a pleasure, and hope to see you soon and continue our collaboration in whatever way it might be.
Okay, thank you very much, Petteri, and thank you for this opportunity. Thank you. See you soon.
See you soon.
Bye. Bye.